Hi everyone, welcome to the Yoga for Flexibility series. Hope you enjoyed yesterday's practice and are ready to hop onto the mat today. Before we start, let's do a quick warm-up. We will start with a dynamic twist called Kati Chakrasana. Stand with feet hip distance apart with toes pointing in front. Take a deep breath in and as you exhale, start twisting to the right. Keep the left hand on the right shoulder and wrap the right hand behind the back. Come back and repeat for the left side. As you exhale, twist to the left, keeping the right hand on the left shoulder and left hand wrapped back. Come back. Now let us repeat this 5 times on each side in quick successions. Exhale, twist. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist. Inhale, come back. Make sure you keep your entire feet firmly on the ground. We have a tendency to lift the heels, so avoid that. Awesome. Next, we will be doing some stretches using the wall. Stand 1 arm distance from the wall. Place both the hands on the wall and then start walking back till you form a 90-degree angle at the hips. Now keeping the arms and the legs straight, start pushing the shoulders down. Make sure your back is flat. Also keep your ears in line with the arms to ensure a neutral neck. Stay here for a few breaths. Slowly come back. Now stand about 1 foot away from the wall with your back facing the wall. As you inhale, take your arms up and bend back till your hands touch the wall. If 1 foot is too much for you, then you can take a step back and try again. Slowly come back and bend forward, maintaining a straight back. Take a deep breath here. Now take a tiny step in front and again, as you inhale, bend back. Stay for a breath and come back. Let's do this one last time. Take 1 more tiny step forward and as you inhale, bend back. Slowly come back and relax in the forward bend. Next, kneel on the floor and sit in Vajrasana. Take your right arm to the right side parallel to the floor. Rotate it so that the palm faces the back wall. Then sweep your arm behind your torso and tuck your forearm in the hollow of the lower back so that the right hand reaches as high up the back as possible. Then bring the left hand up and fold it to try to reach the right hand. Now if you can't reach the right hand, you can hold a scarf in your left hand. Drop the scarf back and grab it with your right hand. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Then slowly release and come back. Let us repeat on the other side. This time, take the left hand to the side and sweep it back. Then take the right arm up and fold it to grab the left hand. This stretch is also great for opening the shoulders and upper back. Keep breathing and then slowly release. Next, raise your hips while kneeling on the floor. Keep your knees and feet shoulder distance apart. Rest the palms on your back just above the hips. Then as you inhale, let your head drop back, curve the spine and extend the ribs up. Slowly come back. Again, take a deep breath in. As you exhale, take the right hand back and place it over the right heel. Then take the left hand back and place it over the left heel. Throw the head back and keep pushing the hips forward. Take a few breaths here. Then bring the left hand back and then the right hand back. Come into child's pose after this and take a few relaxing breaths. Then lie on your stomach. Bend your knees. Stretch the arms back and hold the left ankle with the left hand and right ankle with the right hand. Then as you exhale, pull the legs up by raising the knees and simultaneously lift the chest off the floor. Maintain the pose and breathe normally. If you are not able to reach your ankles, you can use a scarf or a belt for assistance. Then slowly release the ankles, straighten the legs, and bring the head to the floor and relax. We will do this one more time. This time, try to go a bit higher while keeping your knees as close as possible. Slowly come back. Then flip over to rest on your back. Fold your knees and bring them close to your hips. Keep your hands close to your feet. Then slowly start raising your hips as high as you can go. Hold the pose and keep breathing normally. Come back slowly, bringing one vertebrae at a time back to the floor. Let's do this a couple of more times. As you inhale, start raising your hips. Hold the pose and breathe normally. Then come back. One last time. Start raising your hips as you inhale. Hold the pose, breathing normally. Come back once done. Bend your knees into your chest and separate the feet and knees wide, holding onto the outer edges of the feet. Stack your ankles over your knees and try to bring the shins perpendicular to the floor. Make sure your tailbone is touching the ground. You can now close your eyes and gently rock side to side. This pose is called the happy baby pose, and it is great for relaxing and realigning the spine. Keep taking deep breaths. Slowly release. Lift your right leg up to bring it at 90 degrees angle. Grab hold of the big toe with the left hand. Try to keep your leg as straight as possible. Then as you exhale, lower the leg all the way to the left side. Make sure you keep your right shoulder on the ground and keep looking towards the right side. Keep breathing normally. Slowly lower the foot. Then lift your left foot and hold it with the right hand. As you exhale, lower the foot to the right side. Look towards the left and keep breathing. Slowly lower the foot. Then lie down in Shavasana and let your body relax.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed today's practice. Do subscribe if you're liking these videos.